Hey there, I am Kirill Kirkov from Full Stack Ninja. Today, we're going to talk about something called casting in Python. If you're new to programming or just starting to learn Python, you might be wondering what casting is and why it's important. Don't worry, we'll explain everything in a way that's easy to understand. In Python, casting refers to the process of converting one data type to another. For example, you might have a string that you want to convert to an integer, or an integer that you want to convert to a float. Python makes it easy to do this using built-in functions. Let's take a look at an example. Say we have a string that contains the number 10, but we want to use it as an integer in our program. We can use the int function to convert the string to an integer. In this example, we create a variable called number_string and assign it the string value, 10. We then create a new variable called number_integer and use the int function to convert number_string to an integer. We can also cast between other data types, like floats and strings. For example, let's say we have a float value of 3.14, but we want to use it as a string. We can use the street function to convert the float to a string. In this example, we create a variable called float_value and assign it the float value of 3.14. We then create a new variable called string_value and use the street function to convert float_value to a string. Casting can be especially helpful when you're working with user input or when you're combining different data types in your program. It allows you to make sure that your data is in the right format before you use it, which can help prevent errors and unexpected behavior. So that's a quick overview of what casting is and how it works in Python. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!